Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my Carabiner knife. I carry this everywhere, it's very useful, comes in handy, but before I get into that, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and check out the link below. I've got a link where you can check this out and buy this if you'd like to. So, now that that's out of the way, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is my Carabiner knife. As you can see, it's very well worn. I've been carrying this for quite a few years now. It's actually a very handy little tool. So, what's great about this is not only does it have a partially serrated knife on it, which actually comes in handy quite often. It's not super high quality, but it definitely gets the job done if you need to cut some rope or open a container or just do general utility things. The serration definitely comes in handy for rope and string cutting. It is a liner lock, so it's not the strongest locking mechanism. I definitely wouldn't stake my life on this blade. However, as I said, it does come in handy. The other cool thing about this is this actually has several other tools on it as well. On this end, we have the bottle opener, which comes in handy on Friday nights. And on this end, we have a couple little tools, which honestly, I have never actually used. So, it has a small Phillips head screwdriver and then a small flathead screwdriver. These don't have locking mechanisms. They're really very weak, and frankly, they're pretty much useless. However, overall, this is a great little tool. It does have a screw-on lock, so you can prevent the mechanism from opening when you've got your keys on there, when it's locked onto your pack. This is not a climbing carabiner, though. I can't stress that enough. This will let you down if you're trying to do rock climbing and you rely on this. This is merely for carrying equipment and tools. Do not stake your life on this, as you will be sadly disappointed. Well, there you go. That is a quick and easy review on the Carabiner knife. I would recommend this for light use and everyday carry. However, this is not something that you would want to stake your life on. There you go. That is it. That's all there is to it. Check in the description below if you want to check this out on Amazon. Otherwise, have a great day.